Hi everyone, this is Dr. Huang. I would like to show you how to do the homogeneity of variance using SPSS. Why we need to do this test? Under what condition we need to do this type of test? It's really looking at the data distribution, try to compare two sets of data. When you do the comparison, looking for the difference. For example, if you want to do a t-test or one-way analysis of variance, then you need to check whether their distribution are equal or not equal. Basically, you look at how they distribute. For example, you have a mean value. When the distribution, the data might, one set of data might be more towards the left distribution, another set more towards the right side distribution. However, the mean value is the same. When you compare the two data set distribution, then if the p-value, when you do the Levin's test, is greater than 0.05, then we accept the null hypothesis, meaning there's no difference in terms of the distribution between the two. However, if you have a p-value less than 0.05, that means that there is a significant difference among the variability between two groups. Then we have to reject the null hypothesis, means the variation between the two sets of data are different. Normally, you need to do this before you do the t-test, before you do f-test for ANOVA, etc. So here's the example. I'm going to show you how to do it. Then we use the data set. This data set is called bipolar 49. Data from patients suffering from bipolar disorder. So we go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Explore. Now I want to show you how to do the variance. You see here, if you can select any of these, I will select age in this case. You can put it there. The factor list, I can put between the male and the female. Put a gender here. Statistics, you can tick the descriptives. In the plots, this is important. You tick the histogram, and also you tick the normality plots for tests. Then you tick the power estimation. You say continue. You don't have to do anything here, I don't think. Then you just say OK. Now you have got your heterogeneity of variance plot here. When you see this, you should have a look at this one first. So when you see this is a spiral Wilk test. Then you see for the male, this is greater than 0.05. This is a normal distribution. Now here's for female, this is less than 0.05. This is not normal distribution. When you consider two together, we have to consider this is not normal distribution. Since it's not normal distribution, we have to, when we consider this, we cannot use the mean value here for the test of homogeneity of variance. We have to consider the median value because it's not normal distribution. Now we see here it is 0.783, which is greater than 0.05. Therefore, we say this is test normality 0.05. Therefore, the data is homogeneous. Okay, here's a summary how I did it. Here you see you can see the significance here. Now here's the student practical task. You can open the bipolar 49 database. You can do a practice on the homogeneity of variance for BMI. This is second practical task. Now you can test for the waist size using the bipolar 49 data set. Thank you, everyone.